All right, y'all, so we're back with another shoe unboxing. This one is going to be very unique, very special to that player and a specific cause. So stand by and take a look at that one. Yeah, so like I said, man, we're gonna have an unboxing of something real special. You know, it's for a good cause and kind of unique sneaker. But beforehand, just want to say shout out to my World Series championship Dodgers. You see, I got the thing on. You dig? You know what I mean? Shout out to them, man. It's been a long time coming, since 1988 to be exact. I won't tell you how old I was when that happened, but hey, and then on top of that, it's just like this year, the Lakers and the Dodgers won a championship. So, wanted to just touch on something. I'm from Inglewood, California. We are the city of the champions. Now, all these, LeBron, all these Dodgers, all LA, calling Los Angeles the city of champions now, rightfully so, because two franchise teams winning a championship in the same year. However, we did that in Inglewood, years ago, and that's where we got the moniker from. I'm talking about the Kings, the Dodgers winning, Lakers playing at the Fabulous Forum. It's just the name just stuck. I just remember, I can do a whole other video on that, but I can remember just when I was younger, going through the city and stuff, and riding in my mom's car or whatever, and seeing all the banners, draped in the streets of Inglewood. You know what I mean? So that's a proud thing. That's our moniker, and it is proven. But anyway, let's get to the shoe, y'all. Enough of me talking. If you know, you can tell by now, right there. I'm Kevin Durant 7, and I just want to show the box because that's nice and sleek. Nike logo there, signature there, KD emblem. So like I said, like I was going over prior, this is for a very good cause. This is basically his signature shoe that he comes out with around this time every year, and it's your what you call your pearls. I'll do the thumbnail. All right, so it's basically called your pearls here. So what this shoe is for, basically, is in remembrance of his aunt who passed of cancer. What this shoe does is, when you purchase it, part of the proceeds go to awareness and creepiness. You can say what's up. You can say what's up. Okay. All right. Yeah. But awareness. And it goes into trying to find a cure for cancer. Because that's a deadly ailment, disease. Anyway. So shoot for a good cause. Now, hit on these. My personal opinion, do I specifically want them? Probably not. Just because they're a unique shoe, which is my thing. But there's a lot going on in this shoe that it's not just up to me. But anyway, let's just break it down a little bit. All right, so let's just go to the bottom first. That's just unique. That's dope. So you got the signature on the bottom right here. You got kind of pink and navy blue marble. You probably got some kind of gel cushion in there, but you got like the pink little support right there. Different color pink support. You flip it to the side. Got that kind of metallic silver right there with the flakes. Nice neat design right here for the shoe holder flap. It's kind of wraps around the shoe and has that Nike imprint in there, and digs into the sole right there, the bottom of the foot. I don't know. Just tell me in the comments if anybody ever hooped in these, if they had any experience. So Kevin Durant changed his number to number 7. There's a reason why he did that, but from 35 to 7. But all that, you can research that and all stuff. But it's basically right there. You got Kevin Durant number 7. You also have number 7 focus right there. All right, so it's all in all, you know, pretty decent shoe. Haven't taken all the stuffing out. Might be, you know, real good shoe to hoop in, you know, like I really believe so. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you're one of those hoopers that, you know, like, hey, I don't know, like the Kobe's is one, or the KD's great hooping shoe. Who knows, man? But there you go. Oh, also, you know, that signature KD logo right there on the back. Pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? So, and then that front right there, the bottom of the insole, it kind of curls up to the front. You see. I'll tell you what. I go all the way in. Focus. There you go. All right. Well, yeah. Let me know in the comments if you think this will be a decent hooping shoe. You had good history with KDs before. If not, you know, this might be find a good home. But like I said, the proceeds went to a good cause, and you know we'll be glad to support this. But talk to y'all later till the next review. Why is my camera not focusing, man? Like, it's crazy. It's just went into the straight blur mode. Like, where am I going? There I am. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. Hey, shout out World Champ Dodgers, man. You know what I mean? All right.